Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For those who are new, this is Vulkan and Ronda the Frenchies, and we share videos of our French bulldogs. Mountain! Mountain! Hello! We have two adult French bulldogs. This is Vulkan and Mountain. Vulkan is 3 years old and Mountain is 2. And we also have a cute little puppy named Yamanote. Hello! Today, we will allow Yamanote to play with the adults for the very first time because they will be sharing the same room here in our 3rd floor. We prepared their room and now we are going to bring up Yamanote and his cage. Say hello to our new puppy. His name is Yamanote Boy and he is only 2 months old. Baby boy, welcome here. The baby boy is with me. The baby boy is with me. Hi. Hello. This is Glenn and he is carrying the cage of Yamanote to the room of the Frenchies. What's happening? You can see the reaction of Vulkan and Mountain. I think they are wondering what's happening. No. Today also is the first time that Vulkan sees Yamanote. Mountain Boy was able to meet Yamanote when they went to the vet last week. So for Vulkan, this will be the first time he will see Yamanote. No, look at Yamanote. He's so playful. And I think he's also wondering what's going on, and I think he's quite happy to see two playmates, Vulkan and Mountain. But I think this is something new with the Vulkan and Mountain. They're wondering, what's this? Do we have a new brother? Maybe they're thinking like that. You may notice that we have fences around the walls and the doors of the 3rd floor. This is because to protect the doors and the walls, because Vulkan and Mountain are quite chewers. They like to chew sometimes. So yeah, look, you can see the door. You can see there are bites there. That's the works of Vulkan and Mountain. So just to prevent that from happening again, we just covered all the walls. Look at Yamanote. I think he is more playful than Vulkan or Mountain when they were younger. See, Vulkan is quite curious to see Mountain Boy. I think he likes to play with him, but for now he is just observing. Glenn also brought Yamanote's toilet here, and he's also cleaning it. Look at the boys. He's always following Glenn around. Look at Mountain. He's so cute. Look at his reaction towards Yamanote. So we've got another chewer here, so you can see. Or maybe he is just teething because he's only 2 and his teeth are still growing. But he is really playful. See? When Vulkan was younger, he likes to run around. But this one likes to chew more than Vulkan. Vulkan likes to run back and forth. And Mountain is quite lazy when he was younger compared to his siblings. He doesn't he doesn't run as much as Vulkan when he's younger. Finally, the room is ready and now we are going to put Yamanote in his crate. We wanted to allow them to interact first before we get Yamanote out of the crate. We would want to see how aggressive they would be, or just to ensure that there won't be any fights when we let Yamanote play with the two boys, with the two adults. Mountain, that's your brother. But it seems it is Yamanote that is more aggressive than the two adults. The two adults are quite good boys. They are just smelling and they're just observing Yamanote. I think and it's good because they are acting like adults, you know. But of course, we are not still going to allow them play without us watching them. So if we are not around to look for them, we are going to create Yamanote or all the three of them. Because you see, Yamanote might be, we don't know if Yamanote will be too provoking and the two adults might end up hurting him. See, look at him. He is provoking Vulkan, but Vulkan is a very good boy. He is not hurting Yamanote. I guess he matured already. It also seems Mountain is avoiding him. He doesn't want to play. I don't know if he is annoyed, or maybe is he scared with Yamanote. Mountain is currently the alpha, I believe. But now, let's wait when Yamanote grows up. He may be the alpha of the group. Look at Mountain. But his reaction is quite it's quite funny and still lovable. He still remains the clingy one, the most clingy of them all. Our Frenchies do have their own personalities. Vulkan is the playful one. He likes to play with the ball. When he is very impatient, if you do not like to play with him or to massage him, he is not insisting. But while contrary to Mountain, he is the most clingy. He likes to be massaged all the time. He likes to get attention all the time. When I am calling somebody else, when I'm calling, for example, Vulkan, he's the one going to you. It's like saying, "Hey, I am here. You massage me first. Don't massage Vulkan." Something like that. Look at him. You can observe him. I don't know yet with Yamanote, but for now, he is very playful. He likes to chew, but he's still 2 months old. So let's see his personality when he grows up. He will develop this. But the difference with Yamanote is he is not scared of being alone. Even if we leave him alone in our second floor, he's not crying, unlike Vulkan or Mountain when they were younger. I remember them, especially Vulkan, when the first time that we left him in the room alone, he cried. So when Vulcan was younger, we put a we put sounds or a radio beside him so that it won't be too silent, and it helps him cope up with being alone. Unlike this one, I think he got used to being alone back in his old home. So yeah. Okay, you sleep, okay? Hey, yaman no, te. So today we put them all in the crate because we are going out. We are going to the groceries and to buy something at the mall. So they will be the three of them will be left here. But my brother is also here, so he can check on these three once in a while. I hope they sleep because puppies need 19 hours of sleep, I believe, while the adults, I think, needs 14 hours of sleep. It is very hot here in the Philippines, so their room is air conditioned, and we also put a fan here in their room. Also, we have a CCTV in their room so that we can check them while we are not here. We only put the boys in the crate at night when they sleep and every time they eat. Most of the time during the day, they are out in the crate. And here in the third floor, it is very airy when they go outside because this is an open area and it's very windy outside. So even if it is hot, it is also airy. But today, we decided to put them all in the crate here in the air-conditioned room because we are going out and we might not be able to observe them. And yesterday, it was really hot, and even if it is and we also observed that yesterday it was not very windy and something happened to Vulkan. We observed that he was lying and breathing heavily. So I guess I think he just couldn't stand the heat because there was no air. So we put up this room, this air-conditioned room, so that in times when we are not able to watch them, we put them. It is safer to put them inside here in the air-conditioned room. Just make sure that they already went before you put them in the crate. They already peed and pooped, so that because the adults, Vulkan and Mountain, they are already trained not to pee and not to poop in their crate. So I don't want them to stop their peeing or pooping when they are staying in the crate. So before we put them there, We make sure that they already peed and they already pooped. However, this little one is he is not yet trained, so we just make sure that he's in the crate most of the time. Anyway, he needs more sleep than play when he's only 2 months. When he becomes adult and it is already safe to allow him to play with the adult boys, then we will allow Yamanoti to go out in the crate more often. We decided to spend a few more minutes before going out because the three dogs seem to play a bit more, especially Mountain. He likes to sit beside Glenn and ask for massage, while Vulkan is relaxing beside us because I think they are happier when we are around. Little puppies are just so playful, as you can see here with Yamanote. He just likes to play a lot. And this is Vulkan. Do you recognize Vulkan from Mountain? This is Vulkan. His color is lighter than Mountain. His color is blue, lighter blue. And this is Mountain. His color is darker blue. And Mountain is shorter and a little longer than Vulkan. Yamanote is lilac tan. You can easily recognize him from the big boys. I am really excited how he will grow soon. After maybe around 6 months, I will be seeing Yamanote as big as, I hope, Mountain and Vulkan. Mountain loves it when I massage his chin. He is a lot like her mother, Ronda. And he also looks like her mother. For those who do not know, Ronda is Mountain's mom, and she was our Frenchie before, but she already passed away last January. But we know that she's already in a better place now. We really miss her, and we are happy that Mountain is already here. Why? Oh, love yan. Yamanote is angry. Maybe he's angry because he is in the crate. So we allowed him to go out in the crate to play with the two boys. Look at him. He's really playful. But see, Vulkan is very patient. He doesn't hurt Mountain. He just observe him. He just smell him. But look at Mountain also. I think he's scared. I don't know why he is avoiding Yamanote. Can somebody tell us why do you think Mountain is avoiding him? See? Mountain? Doon ka, Mountain! Doon ka doon! Hirap naman eh. Aray! Aray!
Baka patulog ko lang ang inang umaga na size. Puro mga ako.
Pala nakaunang video. Merong part na hindi na.
Wala yung kiss me. Ha? Ano ba ito niya? Ha? Ito niya? Ito niya? Ha? Masagot ka ba? Ha? Antok ka na, tulog ka na dyan. Tapos na kasi tayo. Kiss me now! Kiss me! Tara na, kiss me na!
We asked them to kiss us before we go out.
Kiss na! Kiss na, kiss na! Kaya mo kiss na, Mountain! Kiss na, kiss na!
Ay, sa akin din. Kiss din! Kiss din! Vulkan went to me to kiss me also. I did not expect that. Kiss din? Kiss din ako, Mount Vulkan boy. Kiss din.
Kiss daw eh, kiss daw, kiss na.
Yay! Ako din! Ako din! Ako din kinikiss ni Vulkan. Pagkatapos sa'yo, ikaw din, ako din. Ang Vulkan boy eh. Ang Vulkan eh. Bye-bye! Kain na muna dito ha.
Pasok na, pasok na.
Pasok na guys, pasok na.
Pasok na, pasok na.
Pasok na, pasok. And then we ask them to go back inside the crate. We say, pasok na, which means go inside. Okay. Bye naman, Note. Bye naman, Note boy. Bye, Vulkan boy. Bye, Mountain boy. Mamaya ulit ha. Bye. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching.